Hello, my name is Tadasha. I'm from Bhubaneswar. I basically am a corporate trainer and I'm on the journey of becoming an NLP coach. So, the first time I met Ridhima was in the year of 2024 when I took up the Classic Code diploma program. I completed it back then, but something happened and I took a gap of an year. And this year started with such a beautiful note that I got to continue with her one more time on Classic Code Diploma again. And here I am doing her new code certification program.
How was your experience in Rhythm of Life? What surprised you most?
My experience, the overall experience of 5 days that I have been with Ridhima in her program was amazing. So I came here actually to experience the awesomeness that I have been actually telling all of my fellow mates here. And I have just like I had heard it from a lot of people, actually from her colleagues also, from my colleagues also, that you go there and you just experience the magic happening, you just experience the awesomeness happening, and that's what I'm doing. I'm reliving these moments that I never thought that it existed. So it's been magical.
What change you have noticed in the way you think, feel, communicate, or respond?
There are a lot of changes. There are a lot of changes in which I speak with my unconscious now. I'm gentle with my unconscious. I communicate in a much more calm manner. I also believe that there is this higher self of myself that that I can access. It is easier for me to come back from a very irritated and a frustrated Tadasha to just a very natural and a very calm Tadasha. Um, I have actually, in the last 5 days, I've understood a lot of my intentions, my goals, and what is stopping me to get there. What are the resources which is required for me to build that sanctuary of mine, which I can access anytime that I want to get there. So I have seen so many changes. I'm actually unable to remember everything, but this is all I can tell you right now.
What have you learned about changing the state when you perform activities?
Changing our states. This morning, she did a procedure on me. Um, of course, that's her magic. That is definitely her magic. But the trust that I have on my unconscious, on her, the states, I could, within a span of 10 minutes, I would say, not even 10 minutes, within a span of 10 minutes, my states changed. It was overwhelming. I just achieved that trance state. Tears started rolling out of my eyes. I was like, oh my God, it is so beautiful. I never imagined that this is something that I even I can access. So yeah, the state changes are quicker. It is easier. It is easier to get into rhythm now. It is just so much fun.
And who do you think should experience this new Code NLP practitioners program?
I think everybody. There is not a niche here. So when I say everybody, I'm gonna go home and convince my husband. He's into real estate. He doesn't need this. I used to think that maybe he doesn't need it, but I'm gonna convince him that next time he comes with me, he sits for the course. It is for everybody. If you just want to achieve that state of being, that higher self, even if you believe in God, in spirituality, in something that is driving everything around you, I mean, this is your calling. You should be doing this course to achieve, to achieve the highest performing state that is available for you. So it's for everybody, I believe.
Great. And any biggest aha moment that you experienced in this 5 day or till date?
Yeah, I can think of one or two. So I am new to coaching. I don't consider myself a coach yet. I'm a trainer basically, but to be a coach, you need certain qualities in you. I believed that. In the last few days, I got chance to coach few of my fellow mates, and I could see the breakthrough. I could see the change in their breathing, their physiology, the way their face and the expression on their faces were, and immediately after I did the procedure, I could see the change immediately. So the aha moment for me is definitely figuring out that, okay, I can be a good coach. So that is the aha moment for me.
Great. So, in one word, you can describe Riddhima or the program that you do.
I don't know. This just comes into my mind that it is magic. That's all. You need to experience it yourself. Even if I tell you a lot of things about it, but I feel that it will be injustice because there's something only, like, if you're here physically and if you're doing this, if you're going through this journey, only then you can, maybe understand and realize the beauty of it. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.